How to cancel Cash App card. In this tutorial, I will show you step by step how to cancel a Cash App card. The first step is to open the Cash App mobile application just like you can see here. You will land on the home page of the app, where you will see options that you can use to navigate to different areas of the app. From there, tap on the card icon at the bottom menu of the screen. This will take you to this page where you will see some sections that are related to different features of the card. Sometimes you may want to stop using the card for some time, which means you disable it temporarily instead of cancelling it permanently. So, if that is the case, then you can go ahead and tap this toggle button named Lock Card. You can unlock the card anytime you need to use it. What about if you want to cancel it permanently? If that is the case, then you have to scroll down to the bottom of the screen. Once you are here, make sure you tap on this option here named Get Card Support. This other page will appear where you will see two options at the bottom of the screen. From the two options, make sure you tap this one here named Go to Support. This page will appear where you will see sections you can use to get support for different issues you face on the app. From them, make sure you scroll to the bottom of the screen. At the bottom, there is an option named Contact Us. Under the option, there is another one named Chat. Make sure you tap on it. Wait for the page to finish loading. You will land on the feedback box of Cash App, where you are supposed to type a short message, asking the support team to help you fix the issue. Make sure you explain to them clearly, just like you can see me doing. After that, send them a message and give them time. They will respond to you with a solution. That is, how to cancel Cash App card.